Most people would keep fish in a fish tank, but I've got a live mole in this one. If you've got a lawn, I'm sure you consider moles to be your enemy. Why not? They pile up big heaps of earth, they make those nasty runs like this one through your lawn. But the fact of the matter is, moles are not bad guys. What they are is messy eaters. They like grubs, and grubs actually eat the roots right off your lawn. So if you've got runs like this one all over your yard, it's because you've got a mole who's hunting down those bad grubs. And what we'd like to do today is show you how to keep moles out of your yard. Remember, the grubs are the real culprit in mole damage. They've damaged this whole section of lawn to the point where I had to reseed the whole thing. The mole has come in here and he's looking for grubs. Grubs are the offspring of various beetles that you may have in your neighborhood. May beetles, June bugs, Japanese beetles. These insects are attracted to lights. You've got security lights, street lights, night lighting systems. They're going to be attracted to your yard, and that's what gets the grubs started. I don't want to kill moles. Instead, what I want to do is repel them from my yard. And to do that, we use castor oil. Products like Mole Med, Mole Go, Scoot, things like that, all contain castor oil. And castor oil is obnoxious to any animal in the soil. What we do is mix it and spray it and then water it in thoroughly. I'm going to use a hose end sprayer. Directions say to apply 1 ounce in a gallon of water. And by using a hose end sprayer like this one, I can actually dial my dilution ratio right here at the top. 2 ounces or 2 tablespoons to the ounce of water. I set this at 2 and it'll automatically mix it, 1 ounce per gallon of water. And then simply spray it over the lawn just before it rains, or else water it in very heavily. Moles have the softest fur of any animal I've ever touched, and they're incredibly strong. He's literally prying my fingers apart. He's uniquely suited to life underground, and I don't find him my enemy at all. If we get rid of the grubs, we can get rid of the moles. This little guy, well, I don't want him around my new house, so I'm going to take him out to the woods today.